I'm making this video to communicate the process which I'm using to turn the two-dimensional AutoCAD details into Revit files, which will assemble themselves into not just panels but into full portions of the curtain wall of the building. So I basically built a series of templates which automatically will take in a two-dimensional shape and assemble it into a file with other two-dimensional shapes and build them into a panel and then into a curtain wall. So I want to go over the process with you so you understand how that works. First, I take in AutoCAD two-dimensional detail into Revit, and I extrude the different shapes inside a file which I have pre-designed to cause that shape to have certain relationships, so that when it interacts with other cross sections, it knows how to build itself into a panel. And the way that works is by entering in formulas with certain values and then arranging it in a correct way so that it will fall into place. So this is the first step of the process. Next, the shape is uploaded into another panel file that has even more relationships, and in this template, without even placing the cross section, by simply uploading it, it will fall into its correct spot and will receive another set of relationships that will allow it to go to the next template. The next template is the one that will apply the panel to any shape. And with this particular project we're working on, it has very many curves, which would cause a lot of work drafting if you had to correctly angle every single detail so that it would correspond correctly to the building. In this case, the panel will simply apply itself to the shape and arrange itself not just alongside the other panels, but actually will interlock with the other panels, just as I would in real life. So they will literally will go inside the other panels. And then you have a full curtain wall. From here, they will automatically go into the template which the architect sent. This process is not fully automatic right here, because the dimensions which need to be placed on the sheets are all going to be different, but that's a very small part of putting the sheets together. Now, any change that occurs is simply a matter of going back into 2D, making an adjustment in 2D, and then going right back through the process again. So there's no 3D work going on here at all, except for this extrusion of this shape. From that point on, it's a matter of typing a number and then dimensioning the sheet. So basically, in essence, what I've done here is created a method for building a presentation in Revit that has a 3D capability without any knowledge necessary to build in 3D. So basically anyone that knows AutoCAD is going to be able to take my templates and put together a Revit presentation that's in 3D that will automatically adjust itself and the drawings. All you have to do is arrange it in proper order and dimension it. So that's the process I'm using. So this is going to give people more time to design it properly, and any adjustments that need to be made, should not go through AutoCAD. They should go directly through Revit because it's going to be way faster. AutoCAD simply represents an unnecessary step in the process. So please give me a call if you have any questions. I'm going to be basically taking all these 2D details, which I'll be receiving, and then entering in different pages by simply entering in the 2D shapes. So I'm headed off to California now, so I'll be seeing you guys soon.